Hi, I'm Scott Machine Gun Dad. Welcome back to my channel. No shooting in this video today. This video is basically about the BRN-180 side folding stock. Being an Armalite guy, I thought they looked like the real Armalite, so I bought a couple on Black Friday when they were on sale. First, let me show you what I did with the first one. I have a M16A1 A2 lower that I shoot only 22s out of. So I bought the K&S. Let me close this out here. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. It's right here. There's an adapter to made by K&S that screws into the back of the receiver and locks it in and gives you a Weaver, a Picatinny rail, vertical Picatinny rail, to which, using these two little screws here, the Brownell stock clamps to. Since I have a conversion kit in here, I don't need the buffer tube. Makes for a nice, handy little weapon. And the stock is pretty positive. Actually, I think this is a better designed stock than the original Armalite stock. The only problem I have with it is this right here. So sometimes you really got to wrench on it to get it to unlock. There you go. But when you push it in, it locks it very solid and gives you a really, really nice cheek weld. So if you got a 22 converted AR, this is a really nice piece of kit. It's not what I bought it for. I bought it for my 180B with the Nodak lower. Now, when I got this, it had a Stormworks adapter on it that allowed me to run the M16 buttstock. If you look at my previous videos, you'll notice that. I went to Stormworks, man, they're a quality product, and I bought their Weaver conversion for the AR-180B Nodak lower. I think it's version 5 they call it. So now it actually has the lines of the 180 stock, and just like with the other one, it now folds like the correct 180, and it's on there solid. These Brownell stocks are a fantastic piece of kit. I wish I was endorsed by Brownells, but I'm not. My goal is eventually to replace this one, believe it or not, with something smaller and lighter like a SIG MPX when I get a BRN-180 rifle to build. But right now the lowers are out of stock, so we're just going to leave it the way it is. Nothing fancy, just trying to show you some options for this stock, and no, I'm not endorsed by anybody. Thanks again for coming to the channel.